I've spent the last 20 years of my life dedicated to the salon industry. I've seen everything. Now, my passion lies with sharing great content with people all over the world. I'm going to create something very unique where I'm putting two of the best barbers up against each other in a one-on-one competition. This is Head to Head. What is going on, everybody? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and welcome to another episode of Head to Head, where I'm bringing the best local barbers together to battle in a one-on-one competition.
My name is Kai and Peace. I've been a barber roughly 9 going on 10 years. I'm actually working at a barbershop right now called Clippers Barbershop, based out of Linden, New Jersey. But I also have my own brand called Piece by Piece. It's more freelance, so if you need me to come to you for a wedding or any type of event, I'm your man.
My name is Jacqueline Mancy, and I've been a barber for roughly 10 years now. So about a year and a half, going on 2 years ago, my husband and I, we opened our own barbershop, Sleight of Hand Barbers. It's amazing. It's got magic. Everything's incorporated in it. And we do a lot of community work within our barbershop as well. It's an amazing place. Vintage style, and well, kind of like me. I love my vintage style. So that's what I'm doing currently as a barber.
Another episode of Head to Head is here, and today these two barbers are bringing their A game. What's also exciting is we have the second female barber who's competing, so that's really awesome. So I think these two barbers are ready to go. Let's get started.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffin'. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Bim Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. No, this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming.
My barber inspiration came from my uncle. Growing up in Jersey City, it wasn't the prettiest neighborhoods when I was growing up. So to keep me out of trouble, he used to make me sit there and watch him do haircuts. By the time I was old enough to hold a pair of clippers, he put them in my hands and made me cut my little cousin, so that's how I started.
This competition is super cool because it's shedding a light on barbering, which has been around. It's the second oldest occupation ever, and it's been lost for so long. So now it's bringing it back into the forefront and the light, and it's showcasing these barbers with all these different talents. So it's amazing. I love that it's bringing barbers together and sharing the community with everyone. YouTube is, social media, it's a facet that we usually take for granted, and we can show everybody our talents through it, and it's awesome. I love it. I like to just stay and do what I do, but I know what I have and what I have to bring to the table. I'm talented, I'm artistic, I see things in a different light. So I feel like I have a really good opportunity to win this, and I'm gonna bring everything I got.
This competition is great. It's bringing people together, it's showing the audience what all barbers from all different places can do, different styles, different designs. The networking is cool. I just met the person I'm competing today, super cool. So I'm ready to roll, man. I love it. I'm gonna win because A, I'm the Pompadour King in New Jersey, so there's that. And besides that, I mean, I give a sick fade. I think I got this one in the bag, don't worry.
All right, it is that part of the episode where I look forward to the most, which is the other barber for the first time gets to see the other barber's work, and we're gonna get their first reaction.
The other barber's work was really good. I like the crop on top and a nice little design, but you know, like I said, I'm the Pompadour King in New Jersey. So.
You know, he's talented. He's very talented. I got a different style though. I got a different style. I bring something different. You'll see. You'll just see. Wait till you see the final looks. I dig mine. I dig mine.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, where that at? I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my...
Guys, vote for me, Kai in Peace, and you should. Why? Because I was the better barber, of course.
I love what I do, and I hope that shows to you how passionate about what I do and how passionate about barbering, everything about it. It's music to my ears. I love it. So hopefully that shines through my work, and you'll see that, and you'll vote for that.
All right, YouTube, the time has come now, or it's up to you guys, the viewers, to vote for the winner. So on my community tab is where you go and you'll see each barber's name, and you can simply choose which one you think did the best work today. They both did an amazing job. I'm really proud to have you guys did an awesome job. So, but again, it's up to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Head to Head.